guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And today we have a very special announcement to make. And the announcement is that we are a 1000 big family. For those of you who are there with me from the very beginning, back in 2023, I am so grateful and I love you guys so much. And for those of you who are new or have joined me recently, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Anvesha. I'm currently a second year student, but I'm very soon, like a few months away from being a third year MBBS student, and I can't really believe it. It feels like I was just in first year yesterday and now I'm going to be a third year student. I really can't believe it, but it's true and it's life, it happens. Anyways, okay, so I just gave my second MB, which is the final exams of my second year. To mark this special occasion of our 1000 big family, I have decided to give you guys a room tour. So this is my room, not my hostel room, God no. This is my room at my parents' house. And today I'm going to give you guys a tour, which you have been requesting me since the day I opened this channel. So today you're going to get it. This is where I was slaving away for my NEET UG years. This is where I have spent my first and second year studying while I was at home, and most of the time not studying, binging something or reading some novel. As you can see on my t-shirt, it's self-care. Nailed it. So today I was indulging in self-care, or the day after tomorrow, depending on whatever. Okay, so I'm excited and let's get to it. Welcome to my room. This is my door. Meet my door. Okay, I'm gonna start. What should I start with? Should I start with my wardrobe or should I start with my bed? I'm thinking bed. So this is my bed. This is my queen size bed, and that is my guitar that I bought just after NEET, because after NEET I felt so free that I wanted to do everything. I did swimming, I did gymming, I did guitar. Now it's just hanging on top of my bed, gathering dust. But I'm grateful that that my dad bought me this guitar. Thank you, Dad. So this is my bed. Those are my two plushies, which are also gathering dust because I personally feel like I have outgrown the stage of myself which actually liked plushies. I do not like plushies anymore. It's just not my thing anymore. And that is just a nice lamp. I have a reading lamp in my bed. I'll show you. So you switch this thing on. So that's my reading lamp. But I don't read from like books anymore. I read, if I want to read some books, I just download them on my tab and I just read them from my tab, so I don't require that. So it just stays off most of the time, and that is what is keeping it alive. Because अगर इसको मैं हर रोज यूज कर रही होती, then it would have been gone. So this is my bed. That is my AC, and this is my room, and my walls are empty because my mom and dad, fortunately, they have not let me put up any posters or anything, because they know that if I put something on there, I will just get bored of it and will start gathering dust, and then the aesthetics of the entire room would be gone. And this is my Bose speaker, on which I blast loud music, and I take it with me inside the shower because I love listening to The Weeknd, Ariana Grande, Sabrina Carpenter, Taylor Swift. Yeah, I'm a Swiftie. While I'm showering, it just feels really good. Like it's like a proper me time, you know. This is my charger, which I plug here, and yeah. Let's move on to the wardrobe. Done with my bed. This is my wardrobe, and I'm gonna show it to you guys, even though it might be a bit TMI. I'm just gonna show it to you real quick. Okay. This setup is literally on a chair right now, and I'm hoping this does not fall down, because if it falls down, that will literally be the end of me. So here goes nothing. This is wardrobe number 1. So bag from Alan Solly, which I think my mom is going to use this before I use it. And the upper section is occupied by my mother because she has the most clothes in our entire household. There's that. So wardrobe number 1 is done. Now the final wardrobe, wardrobe number 2. So this belongs to me completely. So I never really use. And that's my wardrobe. And that section, inside the mirror, there's a cabinet for jewelry, makeup, stuff like that. Meet my plant. I haven't named it anything. It's a snake plant. And my dad takes care of all the plants in the house. They're all real, and my dad takes really good care of them. And that is how they're alive, because if I was taking care of this thing right here, it would be dead by now. Now let's move to my desk. This is my desk. This is where the magic happens. I'll just break it down for you. So this is the desk, this is my chair, this is me. This is my bottle. This is like a 2-liter bottle that you can get for very cheap on Flipkart, Meesho, Amazon, you name it, you'll get it. And if you are someone who has trouble drinking water, I highly recommend that you keep this bottle with you, because this really helps me hit my 2-liter goal every single day. Because see, it's like 2 p.m. right now and I'm already done till like the 5 p.m. goal. The idea is to make drinking water convenient for you. This is my claw clip that I use to make my bun, and these are flowers that my best friend got me and she's the first person. I was on the phone talking to her, and then I just checked my YouTube analytics and it's 1001. I have hit 1,000 subscribers, and told her, and her being the amazing best friend that she is, she sent over flowers to celebrate that and to make me feel special, because she's amazing. They're like a few days old now. Still, I love them still. I love them so much still now. So I kept them in water, but I know, life. And then these are my headphones. I love them so much. These are my Bose headphones. I guess you can say I'm a Bose person, because I feel like no matter how much money you spend on your headphones or earphones, they inevitably start breaking down after a year or two. So why not just get the ones that provide like the best sound quality for the best price possible? Like Bose, great prices, great sound quality. Again, Bose earbuds. And this is my iPad that my brother gifted it to me. Thank you, brother. And what else? These are my 2 journals. I think his name is Sasuke, but my brother got me these and my father got me this. So these are my 2 journals. I write my YouTube scripts in this. It's like my life things, but sometimes I mix and match, because I just carry these with me everywhere I go. I'm just a writer person. I do not like to use an iPad to write my notes. I like the feel of a pen and paper, because that is how the education system has trained me over the past 10 plus years. Now, this thing I used to use for notes. Now I don't study anymore. This is my Philips lamp. I think we're done. I guess there isn't really much to see anymore. Like I've shown you literally everything. I want you guys to drop down in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like to watch, or any questions that you might have which you want me to answer. And do tell me, what's one thing you love about our videos? Like, do you like the readability? Do you like genuinity? I don't know, what do you like about my videos? And thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. And by the time this video will come out, I will have turned 20, and I'm 19 right now, but I already feel like I am 20 years old. I don't know, it feels like that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye. Have a great day.